Hi, my name is Victor and I'm the product manager of the configure group here at GitLab. And in this video, I would like to demo you the group level CI tunnel with the GitLab Kubernetes agent. What is the GitLab Kubernetes agent, first of all? The GitLab Kubernetes agent is the foundations of all GitLab to Kubernetes integrations. We released it in last September with the support of pull-based deployments to support modern GitOps-style workflows. But today, besides pull-based deployments, the agent supports push-based deployments, container network security policies, and container scanning as well. In this release, we added support for push-based deployments at the group level too, which means that an agent can be set up to support all the projects within the group or even selectively specific projects only. Now let's see how this setup works, assuming that we already have at least the basic knowledge of the agent. If you don't know what the agent is, you can reach out to this page where we describe how to set up the agent and how to use it in general. In this setup, I will have two projects. One that contains actually the agent definitions and the agent configuration. You can see that here. I will use this temporary agent and its configuration is described in this file. It has one pull-based deployment specified, which grabs all the YAML files under the Kubernetes directory from within its own directory. This is a feature that we shipped a year ago and many users use it already. So this is more for testing purposes. On the other hand, we have here the CI access that are specified for a group. You could specify here projects as well. Now I'm showing it with a group. And I give it the group name as a slug. And you can specify a few other things as well besides that. So this is everything around the agent side. Then I have my other project, which is under that specified group org, GitLab org/configure. And as you can see, it's really minimal project. There is clearly nothing that speaks about the agent. But we have a GitLab CI YAML. Let's look at it quickly. We use the kubectl image because it's only for testing. And first, I will just list the available context to give you an idea what we do. And then I will select the context that actually wants to use this agent here. If you look very closely now, you can see an error that I have to specify the same project name. This is by error. You have to specify the project name of your agent configuration project, not the project that you are using. And then we'll see if we can actually reach the cluster from CI specified at the group level using an agent from another project. Let me start this pipeline. And while the pipeline runs, I will show you that actually the GitLab agent is already present in the cluster. Let me switch over to my terminal where Kinanes is running already. We are on the cluster right now. This is the GitLab. These are the GitLab agent pods. If I would look at the logs, there isn't anything happening right now. There are still the runner is still getting started, but actually soon we'll see how it all goes out. I'm going to pause this video until the runner job runs and we continue later. Okay, so our job finished and we can see the results. Here is the get context call, which shows a context that was preset for us using the GitLab Kubernetes agent and GitLab. As I told you, this project has nothing configured except what I showed you in the GitLab CI YAML file. So there's nothing about the agent. All of this was populated by GitLab using the setup connection in the configuration repo. Then we switch to the right context and we could get the pods from the namespace that we are interested in, that is only the agent pod itself. So this was a quick demo. As I told you, you can use the agent either at the project level to specify specific projects that can access the agent, or you can specify it at the group level to access all the projects within that group. Actually, all the projects access the agent within that group. Thank you for your attention.